Students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the introductory part of the chapter financial statement. Financial statement are prepared in order to show the profitability, and for showing the profitability of the business unit, that the two accounts are prepared under it. First is trading account, which shows the gross profit of the business unit, and the second account is PL account, which shows the net profit of the business unit. And the financial statement also show the financial position of the firm, and for showing the financial position of the firm or say business unit, one more account is prepared known as balance sheet, and this balance sheet shows the financial position of the business unit. Okay, so in this chapter financial statement, three accounts are needed to be prepared. Those are trading and PL account, which shows the profitability of the business unit, and the balance sheet, which shows the financial position of the business unit. Okay, so first of all, I am explaining you the very first account prepared under financial statement chapter, that is trading account, which is also known as the income statement. Just have a look over trading account format. This is trading account format. Particular amount and particular amount. Debit credit. On the debit side, all the expenses which are incurred in order to manufacture the good. ठीक है, all the expenses which are incurred or say spent right from acquiring the raw material till the goods are manufactured, all those expenses are shown within the trading account on the debit side. Okay, so first item to be posted in the trading account on the debit side is to opening stock. This is the opening stock of the raw material which was left behind in the previous year from being unused. Okay, it was unused in the previous year, so it will be brought forward as opening stock in the current year. Okay, and this will be utilized in order to manufacture the product. Second is to purchases. From the closing stock of the previous year, which is written as opening stock during the current year, whole year we can't manufacture the product, so we need to purchase some more raw material for manufacturing the product during current year. Okay, so to purchase is indicating the raw material which is being purchased by the business unit during current year. From the purchase of the raw material, the purchase return means the raw material which was purchased as a whole, out of that raw material, some portion of the raw material might be a damaged one. So the damaged raw material is returned back by the business unit. Okay, and is indicated by the term purchase return. So from the purchase we need to deduct the purchase return of the goods. Okay, and we will get the answer as net purchase. Purchase return is also known as return outward. Okay, the opposite of purchase is sales. It will be shown on which side? On the credit side. See, on the credit side, sales minus sales return. Opposite of opening stock is closing stock. It will be shown on the credit side by closing stock. Now, next things which are to be noted on the debit side of trading account are to wages. Wages are paid to the employees which help in just manufacturing the goods. Okay, to wages or wages and salary. To direct expenses. Okay, to direct expenses means all the expenses which are incurred in order to manufacture the goods. All the expenses which are incurred in order to manufacture the goods are known as direct expenses. Okay, right. To carries or say carries inward. Carries means to carry the raw material from the market to the business unit side. Okay, we are purchasing the raw material from the market, and that raw material is to be brought in the business unit, and for it what is needed, we need to just carry the raw material on some transport vehicle, okay, and bring it to the business unit. So whatever expenses are incurred are known as carries or carries inward, okay, or say carries on purchase. These three items are same. To gas, fuel and power, which are utilized in order to just run the machinery. Okay, to freight and cartage. ठीक है, freight means the expenses which is to be borne by the firm, ठीक है, when the raw material is purchased and brought uh, within the country with the help of the ship. The rent of the ship is known by the technical word freight. Okay, right. And cartage. Cart is also another way with the help of which, or say another source with the help of which we can brought the material, the raw material within the firm oak site. Okay, so the freight and cartage is the expense which is incurred by the firm in order to bring the raw material to the business unit place with the help of shipping facility. Now, manufacturing expenses, all the manufacturing expenses are written in the trading account. Already I told you, manufacturing or production expenses both are same. Okay, now more are there. To factory expenses, all the factory expenses are shown in trading account, and office expenses are shown in the PL account, the next account which will be prepared or will be explained to you later on. Factory lighting and factory rent comes under factory expenses. To dock charges and clearing charges. Okay, dock charge when the ship reaches to the final destination place, the state or the country charges the expense where the from where the ship will unload the goods. ठीक है, dock means the place of destination. Okay, and the place of destination wherever the place of destination will be there at which the goods will be unloaded, the rent of that place is known as dock charges. Okay, right. We can say it is just like a ship stand. Okay, ship stand. Okay, for standing the ship at the place of destination, some charges are taken from the ship owner Okay, and that charge is known as dock charges. Okay. To import duty means if we are importing some thing from the foreign country, then we have to pay the tax. That also is included here in the trading account. To royalty, if we are using the asset of some other person, then the rent which is being paid is known as royalty. Okay. Now on the credit side, some items are left. Okay. What is left? Gross loss. And on the debit side, what is left? To gross profit. These both are the answer of trading account. Either of the two may be the answer of trading account, may be the profit or the loss. If the total of the credit side of the trading account is more than the total of the trading account debit side, then the business unit is in profit, which is written as to gross profit. To gross profit. And in the similar way, if the total of the debit side is more than the credit side total, then the answer is known as gross loss. Okay, that's all for today. Okay.